All right, today we're kicking off our ingredient challenge. I'm excited for this. It's a series, and we're starting off with the talented, you guessed it, Mary Berg.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. Welcome to the kitchen.
I always love when you're here.
Thank you.
I think it's our first segment together in the kitchen.
Yeah, like alone. I think we did one with Lindsey, but now we're like going rogue.
Yeah, we're going rogue.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are talking about all things squash.
Yeah.
How many different types of squash are there?
Oh my gosh, there are like hundreds of different types of squash. I love squash.
Yeah.
Probably too much. I think it's a delicious vegetable. It is like, it's so different. There's so many different types of varieties.
Yeah.
There's like pumpkin, classic pumpkin. There's decorative squash, like gourds, which also I really like. My husband is over it at like Thanksgiving, because they're everywhere.
Wow.
But I love them. So we're gonna start off, I think.
And it's versatile, right?
Super versatile.
Woo.
Yeah, so we're gonna do, not breakfast, we're gonna do appetizer, main, and dessert with squash.
Love all three. Okay,
Yeah.
so what are we making for the first one?
So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to use a classic zucchini or a yellow squash. So zucchini is delicious. It's a summer squash. So for summer squash, you can actually eat the skin and the flesh, and you don't have to cook it.
Okay.
So you can eat it raw because it's not super starchy. It's just delicious. So we're gonna actually make a salad out of this.
Okay,
so
a good salad is great.
Exactly.
For the summer bod.
And
We're still we're working
I gotta
on it.
work on it. Yeah.
You gotta work on it.
No, I'm not. I like the winter.
Okay.
Okay. Can you make me my salad dressing?
So what do I have to do here?
So here, do you know squeeze a lemon?
Yeah, I think I can do that.
Squeeze a lemon.
Maybe. All right.
Yeah. So we're gonna get a little bit. No, you're nailing it. It's very exciting. Yeah.
Good citrus never hurt nobody.
No, except for your eyes.
I guess so.
Yeah, it's a little dangerous. A little bit of olive oil in there.
Alrighty.
We'll throw in.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Give me a pinch.
Oh, a pinch.
Yeah.
Bam.
Perfect.
Okay, got stuck to the hand, though.
Oh no, I love that lemon. We've got some herb de Provence.
Yeah.
A little bit of mustard, because that emulsifies the two together and brings it together, and then a little bit of honey. So
Love
that's
it.
sweetness.
So this would be our sauce, and then we sprinkle it here once we kind of shave the
so
squash.
we shave. Instead of using a knife, we just use a vegetable peeler. So if you whisk that for me. So we just vegetable peel it into nice, beautiful ribbons.
Love.
Which is super delicious, and it looks so pretty.
Okay.
And you can just eat them as is.
As you go.
Pop
and then
them
I can
on top.
just sprinkle this, I guess, drizzle away.
We'll throw some radishes on there for a little bit of color. Some walnuts, because I love walnuts. And a little bit of goat cheese. And it's
you can't go wrong.
A delicious salad. It's so yummy. I love it.
Okay, Mary, appetizers are great, but dinner's even better.
Yeah, I'm a big
So let's
fan.
talk about this main course. What are we making over here?
So here we're actually making a pumpkin Alfredo.
Okay, and what type of squash are we using?
We're using pumpkin, but we're using canned pumpkin.
Oh, I guess pumpkin is still a squash.
It's still a squash,
Right.
exactly.
Okay.
So I am a huge fan of canned pumpkin. A lot of people, I think, are scared and they think fresh is better.
Yeah.
No. Canned is the way to go with pumpkin.
Right.
It's perfect. It's always the right consistency.
Okay.
And this is a way to make Alfredo a little bit healthier.
All right.
So here we've got some butter and garlic. And I'm going to put in, would you grab the whisk for me?
Okay.
And I'm going to put in pumpkin.
Alrighty.
Just some canned pumpkin. It's
And that's
already
it.
cooked.
So you just open the can and literally start putting it in?
Open it in.
Whisk this a bit?
Whisk it up.
Okay.
We're going to add a little bit of milk.
Love.
I like this.
Okay.
Devil may care.
This is looking actually pretty good.
It's delicious.
It smells amazing.
It does, and it's a little garlicky. It's so yummy. That was a little bit of cream. You don't have to put the cream in.
Right.
And then I'm gonna put in a bunch of Parmesan cheese, because why not?
And you would just keep this going for simmer for about, what, 10 minutes maybe?
Not even. To be honest, once the garlic is cooked, you don't have to cook it for much longer. It's already thick. Put a little bit of nutmeg in. Some sage, which is delicious.
Okay.
Some parsley. And then throw the noodles in and toss.
And voila.
Voila, and you're good to go.
So that is dinner.
Yeah.
But you have to end a date with some dessert.
Oh, are we on a date?
Oh,
I like this. Okay.
What's this last one?
We've got a classic acorn squash pie. So instead of pumpkin, we're using a classic acorn squash, which I love. It's naturally sweeter. It's a winter squash. It's got a firm skin, so you can't eat it.
Mayfield?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's like a baseball.
It really is.
Yeah.
And the Jays openers tonight.
I know. Perfect. But basically all you do, pop it in the microwave to cook it, cut it open, scoop out all that delicious flesh. We've got a little bit of brandy in here, some sugar, some milk.
Mary.
I'm going to cut you a slice.
Do you mind?
Yeah.
Thank you for being here. We love when you are here.
I love it too.
For all these recipes, you can go to our website, yourmorning.ca.